Hello, today we will walk you through the Student Quick Start Guide for Secure Distance Proctoring using Proctorio and ATI. We will be using a demo for a dry run, and with the demo there are some differences compared to when actually taking an assessment using Proctorio. We'll go over those differences later on in the video. First, we're going to check your requirements. You're going to need a desktop or laptop computer. No iPads, tablets, or phones are to be used. Any microphone and webcam, those can be either internal or external, and you're going to need to use the Google Chrome web browser. You will not be able to take the proctored exam with any other browser. Proctorio is a Google Chrome extension, so please make sure you have Google Chrome installed. If you do not have it already installed, you will need to install that before you go any further. Proctorio will do a system check to make sure you meet all the technical requirements we just went over. You also need a school ID. Before your exam, Proctorio will ask you to scan your ID just to validate your identity. And to set yourself up for success, please make sure you are using a fully charged laptop or desktop computer and you are in a well-lit, quiet space to take the exam. Every step we go over today is crucial. You will not be able to take the exam if you do not complete each and every step. So please make sure you follow along. We're going to go ahead and begin. First, open up Google Chrome. You will navigate to Chrome://flags. Enter same site in the search bar, and the first one that shows up should be the same site by default cookies. These are the cookies we want to get disabled, so we're going to go over to the right hand side, click on the drop down menu and select disabled. Now you'll be asked to relaunch Google Chrome at the bottom right. If this prompt does not come up, just go ahead and close Google Chrome and then you can open it back up. So we're just going to go ahead and relaunch. And open a new tab and go to the ATI website so we can log in to our account. Once you're logged into your ATI account, you're going to go to the My ATI tab, and then you're going to click on the Test tab. And for this demo, we do have to add the product manually, so we're going to have to add the test ID, but normally your exams will show up here and you just have to click on Begin. So what we're going to do here is I'll just go over to the green button and click on Add Product. Once you click Continue, you can click on Begin where you see the Proctor demo test, and it will take you to this page here where it lists the restrictions. I'll tell you the data that's being collected during the exam using Proctorio. If you see the message here regarding the gigabytes, just go ahead and move forward. It says your exam is likely to crash. However, it will not crash. It may slow down, but it won't crash. And there's also a warning telling me that my computer battery is only at 44%. That's because I don't have it charged right now. But I do highly recommend that you have your computer plugged in to charge while you're taking the exam. So we'll go ahead and start the exam pre-checks. You're going to be taken to the System Diagnostics test page, where it will check if everything is functioning properly. If it is, it will be all green. You're also going to have to share your entire screen. So to do so, click on the middle of the prompt where you see the copy of your screen. The share button will turn blue, and that should make the monitor icon turn green. And just so you know, you can only have one monitor connected. So if you have two monitors, please disconnect one. And I'll also show you what it looks like when you have to give access to your camera and your microphone. So here I'm going to allow the use of my camera. Click OK. This is for a Mac, so a Windows will look different. And I will allow access for microphone. So it'll do the systems check again. Also show you another microphone error where you may have to download a software to fix the microphone error if you really can't figure out what is wrong with your microphone. So here it's showing up as a red X, and I'm just going to go to the bottom there where it says click here for audio troubleshooting, and I'll click the link. Click on the link, it'll take me to this page here where I will be given the option to download a software to fix my microphone error automatically. And the downloading process may be different on a Windows, as again this is a MacBook. It's going to ask me to restart my Chrome. And now my extension has been installed. We're going to go back to the before you begin page, and it looks like there's an error because I have a tab open. I'll close that. So I'm going through these systems check multiple times only because I want to show you some examples of the errors you'll come across, but you will not have to do it multiple times if you don't have multiple errors. Once you've passed the systems check, you'll be taken to this page here where you will see a live image of yourself. Go ahead and click next, and then you will be asked to scan your student ID card. Hold it in the box. You can also scan manually when you see the click here button. It'll do a countdown and it'll take a picture of your ID if you're having trouble. You'll be asked to do a webcam image test. It will take 5 pictures of you. Please make sure you are in a well-lit area and there is no glare. If you are wearing glasses, please remove your glasses for the image test. I would also recommend hiding the bar at the bottom where it says stop sharing. Just click on the hide button. You don't want to click on this during the exam because it will exit you out if you click on stop sharing. You will also be asked to do a room scan. Now for the demo, it's just a simulation scan, so you don't actually need to scan your room. But when you are doing an actual exam, you will need to move the camera and show the surrounding area as well as your desk area. Go ahead and click I understand, and then you'll be taken here where there is an agreement. Please read through the agreement and then sign, and you'll click on accept in the bottom right. The next page you'll see here is just waiting for the test to load. You also see in the top left the quiz tools. You'll see the live feed of yourself. You can also choose the chat button, and that will allow you to chat with a live Proctorio employee. You can increase the page zoom, decrease the page zoom, and you can also collapse. And on this page here, you'll have to click on the checkbox next to I agree. Once your proctor or instructor allows you into the exam, you'll see a start or resume button below. And once you click on that button, then you will begin the exam. Click on the pause button in the top right. You'll see that you are given 5 minutes in order to resume the assessment. If you do not click on resume, you'll be automatically taken back. I'll also show you an example of what happens when you try to open another app during your exam. So I'll try to open Microsoft Word, and you'll see here in a bit the screen will go black and you'll see a lock. You will have 12 seconds in order to resume the exam. That is it for this student quick start guide. If you have any technical issues, please contact the Unitech Help Desk.